Hey, you are in and welcome to Knotie. As far as we know, this is the only platform on the planet that lets you resell real AI solutions under your own brand. But forget the big claim for a second. Here's what it actually means for you day to day. We take a few heavy things off your plate so you can focus on one thing that grows with you for your business, which is the selling part. So let me tell you what we are actually carrying for you. The first, the noise. You know the feeling. A new shiny AI tool every single day and that constant pull to go chase for it. We filter all of that out. What's left inside Knotie is already vetted and ready to rebrand and sell. Second, the integration. Instead of stitching 10 tools together and praying that it holds, we bring the one you need in one place. And that matters mostly for security because the moment you start plugging your client app into custom solutions, security can turn into a nightmare. And we handle that so you don't have to. Third, and this one's big really, that is payments. 9 out of 10 agencies, if you ask, they struggle to get paid on time, especially by their best client. So we built Knotie to let you charge like the big players do. Sell using AI credit, the same way OpenAI or Anthropic charge. Or you can even set up recurring invoices. Either way, you launch your AI services as real product and you actually get paid. And underneath all of that, over 150 plus features ready to rebrand and sell, and with more added every single week. So you focus on growth, we keep on handling the technical side and the new innovations. And the best part is it's free to start. You only pay us once you are actually growing your business. No risk, no pressure. Now, the honest heads up. With this many features, it's easy to feel a little lost at first, and that's normal. So we built two things to keep you on track. On every page, tap the video play button. You see exactly what that page does. And at the top of the dashboard, you will find a guide bar. Just follow it step by step, and when you finish one, the next challenge would appear. And the platform itself would take you through the journey, like a tutorial, but a practical one. So that's it for now. Please continue and complete the onboarding, and I will let you proceed with using the platform. And if you ever get stuck or just want to talk it through, our Discord server is open, or you can book a call with one of us. We are real people and we are in this with you.